Offroad. Today we're going to be installing an interior LED light kit on my 2000 XJ. We're also going to install some new 3157 LED brake lights as well. I got them from Precision LED, sponsored by them and also car sponsors in association. So I'm going to show you everything that's in the box. You get a little pack of tools. It's pretty nice. They give you everything that you need in this little LED kit that you can get off of their website. You can get from many vehicles, but we're going to do this on this XJ. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go ahead and take a look at what's inside the box here. As you can see, there's your package of lights. And here's your professional trim tool kit. Everything you need. So that's really nice of them to send that with the lights. Here's the whole package. Be wrapped up in bubble wrap to protect the lights. So with this kit that I bought, you can get this as a whole kit on their website. I got the Vanity lights, which is an add-on. You get trunk lights, so the dome light in the rear. Get the map lights by the center, the two on the side of the center dome light. There's your courtesy lights that are underneath your dash. There's your dome lights. These over here, these are 3157s. You can use these for your brake lights. You can use them for your turn signals, but they don't suggest to because you can get hyper flash. So keep that in mind. You can also use these for your backups, your reverse lights, and let me tell you, they are extremely bright. Another thing that's really awesome about this toolkit that Precision sends you is it's resealable. It's got a little zipper there, so you can put your tools back in here and keep them all in one spot so you don't lose them later. We're going to start by replacing the 3157 brake lights. You're going to need to remove the 3 bolts on your tail light assembly. They are 10 millimeter. So go ahead and take those out. Now that you have your bolts out, lift up, pull out, because there's a little tab down there. Here's your 3 light bulbs. You got your reverse light, your turn signal, and your brake light. We're going to be replacing this one. That is a 3157. We're going to replace the halogen with these new LEDs. Here's your new 3157 brake light. Be sure to be careful not to touch the LEDs. It'll slip right into the assembly just like that, and just give it a little tiny push. Turn on your lights to make sure they work. So the 3157 brake light also acts as a running light. Turn right on your headlight carrier. Make sure it's in there solid. Do the same thing on the other side. Now we're going to do the dome light. As you can see, there's a little button there. Turns the light on and off. It's just held in by 2 little metal brackets. In order to take this cap off, as you'll see, it's got little holders there. And that clips into the front. Like that. Should be able to just use a flathead to get this light out. Like so. And this is going to be hot. Careful. Now we're going to reverse the process with our trunk light. There's our nice bright new LED. Make sure to wear gloves when touching these, and also these sometimes need to be put in specific ways. So if it doesn't work, just flip it around. Now we're going to do our courtesy lights. Underneath the dash, typically you're going to have a little cap on top of this here. Since I don't, I'm just going to turn left, pull out. Make sure to wear some rubber gloves. And now you have your new LED Kersey light installed. The same process will be on the other side. Now we're going to replace the vanity lights. And as you can see, they're definitely ready for a change. Once you have removed your caps, this will reveal your lights. They just pop out, very simple. See these two brackets here? You want to slide your light in this side first, and then you'll be able to clip it down on this side. The best way to replace your caps is to slide the top pin in first, and then the side, and then you can do the bottom. Repeat the process for the other side. Now, if you have an issue like this, you know you have a circuit board issue. Now we're going to do the dome lights. That'll be the center one. Once you have your cap off, they'll reveal the light. And it's going to be very hot, especially if you've had your dome light on for a while. You'll see right here, it's got little wire brackets that wrap around these deals here. And you want to go ahead and take that off. You'll just have to pinch it together and take the light out. Now we're going to do our map lights. That's going to be these. Once you have your cap off, you'll notice it's in the bracket, just like kind of like a taillight would be. So just pull it right out. Whew, hot. And then put your new one in. Again, some of these have to go in a certain direction. It appears with this side, I have some sort of bracketry issue up here. Something's not making a connection. It might be a bad bracket up there. So I've tried it both ways. Not getting any light. As you can see here, I tested the second bulb in the left side, so I definitely have some sort of issue going on with my bracket up here. Would you look at that? I barely bumped some and it fixed my issue. Well, you know. Now we have our two LED maps done. That was my installation of the interior LED kit and the 3157 brake LEDs from Precision LED on my 2000 XJ. Thank you for watching. Please check out my other videos. Check out my Instagram. Have a nice day.